It's Sunday, August 29th, 2021. Out here with my grandson. Say hi, bub.
Hi.
First time I brought him. I've only been out a couple times this year. Come up on this real trashy spot and walked up on something. I'm not 100%, but it looks pretty good. Stay right there, bub. Right down there. No, I'm gonna grab it.
Yes.
Don't know what it is. It's kind of hard to examine it while I'm looking at the phone. So hold, bub. What do you think?
Awesome.
All right, signing off, Matt. Okay, it's Sunday, August 28th, 29th, I forget. Look, bub, let me see you, bub. You have fun? He got muddy. But anyway, this is what we found today. I believe you got him a little flake knife right there. Bub found that. It's got a little bit of work right through there. So we're going to call that a flake knife, piece of pottery. There's the lone artifact. I got hopes and dreams of being something that might be a Cody complex. I believe it's old, whatever it is, but I'm hoping it's something Cody. Leave it in the comments what you think it is. There's some more stuff Bub found. Got a couple teeth, marble, some cool jars. This was pretty cool. There's something about shaving cream. Nice cobalt blue jar. You got a blue one and a green one. Nice marble. Nice blob top bottle. Anyway, Bub, tell them we'll see them next time.
We'll see you guys next time.
Signing off, Matthew.